All right. Hi, Eli and McKinley. I am going to try to do this to show you where you can access all of the scheduled Google Meets. I did this to see if it's easier for you to join in with our live sessions. It's not, you don't have to join in live right now if you are not able to, but if you are, we would love to have you for those live mini lessons. I've scheduled them for the whole class time, but we won't be on live that whole entire time. It's usually the first 15, 20 minutes of the class, and then you get time to go work on it. Sorry, you're hearing the baby in the background. Okay, so what you're going to do, you're going to go to your Google Classroom page, which is what you're seeing here, and you're going to click on this Classwork tab. On that tab, you're going to click on Google Calendar, and it's going to pop up to a calendar. I've gone over here and I've clicked on this tab, and you can either see it by the day, the week, the month, the year. I like to go to the schedule because it shows you all of your scheduled events, including your assignments that you will find in Google Classroom. So what you'll do, like for example, tomorrow, if you are able to join us live for religion, you'll log in here on Google and Google Classroom, and you'll go to Religion Live. This screen, you kind of click on it once. This screen pops up, and all you'll do is click Join with Google Meet. When you do that, it should take you to the screen that says Google Meet. And then hopefully I'll be able to record the lesson if you're not able to join us. Or if you're in there before me, I should still be able to record it. Oh, sorry, you're hearing the baby. He's not very happy right now. So we're going to practice it tomorrow. We'll see how it works. As always, thank you for your patience and your flexibility. I will be checking in with you again tomorrow. Have a good night. Bye-bye.